We are living in an AI era, and I use ChatGPT, Gemini, and what's the other one? DeepSeek? I guess that was the one. I start to use that one too. It's a Chinese one. I'm getting lots of information, and it may be appropriate to put some of those at least, because the benefit I receive is pretty profound. And the one I just finished is I took a picture of my breakfast and sent it on AI Gemini and asked if you can guess the food item and the weight and nutrition, and they came back. I didn't expect they could do that much, but because Google has Google Lens, I had that suspicion maybe they could, and he did. But other health-related information that I had by discussing with them, they didn't remember. So there's an issue about how to capture the key information instead of just answering the question on the spot with the information that may be quite limited. And that's the big problem I see, and that's the one I was discussing with, was it Gemini? Yes, I think so, yeah. Last night until midnight. And that's when I came up with this conclusion that the AI is just the AI machine. Unfortunately, they don't have feeling, but they have intellect, they have a logic, rational way of thinking. So, extension of brain, but we should recognize that AI doesn't have any feeling, and there's no heart, and there's no chance of enlightenment for them. But we can use the tool as much as we use our brain as a tool, but not forgetting heart. So let me see how I can put the information and share it. I may, yes, there's a way that I can put the information on the Google Doc and put the information in the description of this video so that you get access of it. And perhaps you may find it interesting to find the use of AI, large language model. I'm used to ask lots of questions, all different angles, and trying to put things together so that I get a good perspective of what's going on. So it's kind of natural for me to do this kind of thing. But if you're not used to AI, you may have difficulties. So I suppose that you may find some of the information I get is interesting. So curiosity and interest may help to open up the possibility and go beyond the barrier. And I think that's the kind of idea that we may be able to share. And as I post, how much I can respond is the question, but I'll be happy to share my experiences. And in fact, you're asking back a question, a comment back to me, give me more sense of something I can do more. Because this platform of YouTube is meant, actually in my case at least, to have a way of us communicating each other to enrich our learning, exchange the view, know more about each other, different value system and all that may pop up, but that's okay, that's what it is. So let's open up this window, not too much perhaps, but little by little, so that we can keep this continuous improvement and learning and practice the idea of continuation, its power to enrich our life and and for the idea of may all beings be happy. Thank you.